My friends, is never a sound you want to hear on a brand new truck with less than 5,000 miles on it. What's happening, everybody? I'm Don, the car guy. This is my 2024 Toyota Tacoma SR5.
Marked in the trucks, it comes up to some of them had the transmixer problems right away.
Had the family loaded up and ready to go on a camping trip, and suddenly there was a noise, and it is badly wrong here, like a tire going down. I'll let Ray the wrench explain.
He was making a terrible noise. It sounded like this.
Fortunately, right as this problem started to happen, I was right near an exit with a truck stop. I was able to pull in. There was a nice guy there named Junior who was able to help me. What we ended up finding was here on the drive shaft, there was a sticker loose and was banging on the heat shield.
Now, you know if it wasn't for Junior, you wouldn't have fixed that truck.
And just like that, crisis averted. We were able to get back on the road right away, and thanks for watching.